she'll like walk in just a second. So what's going on, JakeOfALL? Whew. I have been busier than a one-legged man in a butt kicking contest. Working on some prototypes, working on new stuff, hanging out, keeping people happy, doing all that fun stuff, trying to work on a million things. So PACKOUT Princess is still not out here, but I got some new stuff. PACKOUT Princess, motion detected. Look at the motion detected. She is supposed to be a motion. Okay. Event details replay. Okay. Huh. She is not coming in. What is she doing? Let's take a look. Okay. We're going to totally spy on her. We can hear her, but she can't hear us. It's like a baby monitor, but it's for PACKOUT Princess. Hello?
Hello?
You know we're doing a YouTube video.
I'm doing my makeup. What?
We're doing a car wash video.
Right now?
Yeah, we're doing the new washout edition, the brush rack that, speaking of rack, did you know I put a camera in your bathroom? I'm over here. Look. I got a baby monitor, but it's for my baby. Are we gonna do this?
You can see me now.
I can. Are you gonna put a bathing suit on and come out and we're gonna do this video?
I'm not putting a bathing suit on.
Well, just because it's not 100 degrees out? Okay, come out. We gotta do a video. Well, I guess she's gonna unplug us, so she'll be out. So that's convenient. I can totally spy on her and just bring the camera. Okay. She said no hat, but this thing keeps falling in my face. So, boom. Okay, like I said, I've got, hey!
What is this thing you got spying on me? I can hear you pretty clear.
So this BOTSLAB, it's a 3K, which is why you look so good on camera.
Oh boy.
It's a pan tilt zoom, 360 degrees. You saw that it was two-way sound, so you could totally use it as a baby monitor, or like I said, I could monitor my baby.
Yes. I was trying to get my makeup on.
Well, I mean, you look yummy as always.
Oh, thanks.
It's got
you like the new hair?
I do like the hair.
And you can see it so clear on the camera.
I do.
Huh?
And look at this. Look, so it's got a 1/4-20 tripod style mount.
Yeah, hold it.
And all the hardware. So BOTSLAB sent it out. They wanted us to spy on a baby. Definitely could use it as a baby monitor, but it's two-way.
We could spy on the dogs with it.
And did you see the sounds?
The sounds.
Did you see the sounds? Did you hear the sounds when I was setting it up?
Yeah.
So literally in the app, it's crazy. You put your password in the app, and then it generates a tone that the camera hears, and then it adds it to your Wi-Fi. So it's super easy to add and easy to spy. So
that's pretty cool.
All right. I'll put a link in the description, and let's move on to. It's going to be sort of a hodgepodge, right?
It is it's a Friday hodgepodge video.
But it's cool stuff, right? Why? Because I made something new.
That's right.
I don't think we actually named it yet, though.
No, we haven't.
But can you see what it is?
I do. It's for all your washout brushes.
I'm asking them.
Oh.
I'm asking them. So
Well,
can you see what it is?
I know the answer.
Right? So we'll definitely go into detail, but we've got a bunch detail. So it is a detail brush holder. Somebody called it the Pack Rack. We're doing a giveaway on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. YouTube Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and whatever. The top 4, we're going to do a vote, and somebody's going to win one. But so you've got your wheel scrubber, you have your detail brushes, and it will work with multiple types of detail brushes. So if you have a taper only, it can go in that way. And as you can see, it's 3D printed, but it gives you an idea. This is sort of one of the prototypes. It's got a peg that links the two together so that it acts as one. And then there's a hole that lines up with your PACKOUT and a pin that goes straight through. And so it won't lift off your PACKOUT, and then you just take a pin that you usually buy from us, and you can knock it back out. You can leave it on, fold it up, put it inside the PACKOUT. But as you can see, right, if you've got these buckets that you're using as like your 3-bucket or your 2-bucket, bunch of different places to put bottles, which you can also hide, you know, hang bottles on your side. I know that, so it's not necessarily meant for just spray bottles, but big brushes like this, sort of double tapered or teardrop maybe, is that a better term for that?
Yeah.
Like that, and you could, you know, put them up or down. And that's a big one. That's what she said. All of the brushes will sort of interchangeably fit, but if you are OCD and you want them in an order. And then, like I said, you've got a couple big spots and a couple of these for some of these thinner rods like this. Obviously, you could put this here if you really wanted to, but I sort of like the aesthetics of the way this looks. So this is already available on our website along with, which we'll show you the full like washout setup that we have over there, which is, I guess, what we're gonna go ahead and go over to,
yeah.
and then we're gonna show you more stuff. So
yep.
You're gonna do the normal PACKOUT princess duty, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna take over the smaller camera.
She's got the camera. Let's set this down on the ground so they can see. Okay. So this is sort of how I would have my three, because Milwaukee doesn't make a cart, though JDS, which is who makes this cart, which I will make sure I link, okay? But if you can see, I've got rinse and wash, and we have these pins that we sell people. If you remember, the way this works is you just pop these pins out, and if you look inside, we've got the grates that we sell, which get locked down so that your rags don't sit on the bottom with your debris. So this same pin can be used to push the stock pin out, but you can see this one's just using the stock pin. And that's honestly what I intend on using that one for. Now, this is split in half, so if you're a setup like this, where you're gonna have 2 packouts next to each other, you could put one side here and one side here and have it spread. If you're only going to do 1 bucket, you have a combination like this. I have thought about making a provision to where they overlap into each other, so you guys comment below and let me know if you'd like to see a version that sort of straddles the 2 buckets. But we already sell the grates, the washout's what we call it. We have Vernon 3D Technologies that's doing cool custom latches for us. Rinse, wash, and then rims is over there behind PACKOUT Princess. I even customized this guy for my big supplies that just don't fit. So this is what we call, what did you call it? The Mary Poppins?
The Mary Poppins.
Right, so there's, you know, PACKOUT mods, always. And that one I'm sort of proud of. But if you want to win that one, make sure you find the video on YouTube, TikTok. It's YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. But also comment below what you would call it. So let's go on to more stuff. Yeah?
Yeah.
We want to do the cup adapter?
Yes.
Okay, so this is from Electronsmith. A lot of cool stuff is from Electronsmith. We don't sell these yet, but he made this, which is this twist lock style. And these are magnetic part trays. And then he made a universal one, which is this one. And this one is great for attaching a tripod or anything else with glue or double-sided sticky tape. So, if you double-sided sticky tape, everyone's like, why do you call it sticky tape? Whatever.
Because it's just what we call it.
Right, so look. Right? I mean, I think it's cool. And this is, a lot of people hated the lid and hated the latch and didn't want a cup without a handle. And if you guys don't know, I do a lot of stuff with Olfa. I love them. Japanese knife company, super cool. And I wanted this mug to be compatible, so I used this glow-in-the-dark 3D printer filament. I'm going way too fast. But yeah, so we have that already on the website. I'm smart, and I put it on the website before I make the video. Another cool one, if you guys haven't seen this, this is the one that we did a YouTube video on, right? I hand cut that one. I did this, the JNC, Jacob's CNC routed, which is just a router in my hand. But a buddy over on Instagram was like, I realize you're really busy. You're talking too fast in your videos. And he does a business, and they are CNC'd using Kaizen foam, but he will take pictures, or if he's got the part in stock, he has it measured, and these, I did not cut, I did not change these. I got them from him, and as you can see, my stuff just fits right in. I've got extra room, and it's Milwaukee Tool Inserts on Instagram. I will link this stuff in the video. I will try to link every single bit of it. The washout, the JDS cart, and this. He is giving these away. Well, we, as in all of us are, right? So this is a lift out setup. So this goes in the bottom of your drawer. You can put wrenches, punches, screwdrivers, anything that can honestly fit. It's sort of universal. And then this one is a top layer that is reinforced. And this one is for your wrenches mainly. And if you look with the handle holes, boom. So what we're doing, and it'll be linked in the description, is we have a reel on Instagram. And what we're trying to do is get as many of you over to Instagram. Get on that. Make sure you're following us, because if you're following him and you're following us, these are going to be given away in that reel. But we're trying to get us up to 75K. And since I have segued into giveaway, we're going to head back over to the table. And you said you wanted to give something away. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go do that. Okay, so you're giving away my rack.
No, you blab while I look real quick.
I blab.
You blab.
So I want you guys to comment below what you would call that rack thing. The wash rack, because I know what a lot of you say. I think she wants to give this away. Am I right?
Yeah, that's what we're giving away.
The level, it's been about a week, right?
That's
usually what we try to do.
Yep.
And you said somebody followed directions. So
yes.
You were like, okay.
So we have somebody who commented in the YouTube video their name, and then they also sent us an email. They said, "Hey guys, I'm an architectural designer designing residential homes, additions, renovations, etc. Over the years, I've done my own homes and fixed them up. I could use that laser level to do ceiling tiles, floor tiles, wainscoting, and my future project of herringbone patio pavers would help to keep them straight and in line for a professional looking job. Thank you, or thanks for the great videos you guys do. I always look forward to watching them. Pack out, Dave." So Dave, you won because you followed directions
really well.
Yes.
You
sorry,
good
I
there?
have to fix my top.
Yeah, I mean that would be a different video.
But yeah, so he followed directions, so he wins it. So now I just have to get his address, and we never ask for credit card information. That's a big deal.
Typically, we just say comment your Instagram name and or email us, and then comment that you emailed us, and he followed directions.
He followed directions. So good job, you won.
So this is it. This is a Friday video. Washout rack out.
Yep.
The new cup adapter or universal adapter twist lock, and Milwaukee tool inserts. You saw the drawers are even more organized. There's a word.
Organized. They're more
Mouth
organized.
sounds. They're organized, and that's a giveaway that is linked in the description. Oh, and the JDS cart.
Yep.
So follow us on Instagram. We're trying to do 75K. We've got this pile that's amassing, and we have a bunch of...
We keep getting more stuff every day.
Stuff. JDS brackets.
Yep.
We got some M18, some M12s. He's sending us some more. Plier racks. We've got that big STV rack. So make sure you're following us on all the socials, because...
This isn't the only place we do giveaways.
This isn't the only place.
Yep. So now it's Friday, so...
Yeah, time... It's
dinner time.
I'm done. Yeah, I was going to say, I'm done with work, and it's time to chill out instead of pack out.
Pack out, that's right.
See ya.
Bye, guys.